In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Display. Then scroll to choose this section called Font Size and Style, and then hit Font Style. Now apply any of those fonts by clicking on the best one and simply go back. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to try something else, you can go back to the same section, choose Download Fonts and try any of those. To download the best one for you, use this button right next to it, or click on it and hit Install. Then wait for it to be ready and apply it by tapping on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!